everyone. Good afternoon, dear teachers. Today, I will show you a demonstration teaching about teaching strategies to solve an issue regarding lack of cultural sensitivity in our teaching using universal design of learning and differentiated instruction. And today, you will act as grade 3 pupils and to become active listeners and participative in our Arabic curriculum subject. Okay, so for today's learning competency or objectives, you will define the term cultural sensitivity and explain its importance. Number 2, you will identify and describe at least 2 Filipino traditions. Number 3, you will demonstrate respect for diverse cultural practices. So,
their clothes different from mine.
yes, Ma'am Jen.
Their clothes different from mine.
Yes, that's true, no? From our clothes, they are different from them because we are wearing t-shirt and when it is hot, we are wearing shorts unlike them. How about is their headdress? Yeah, they are using like what do you call this type of person or this type of people? Igorot, yeah, Igorot, okay. From one word, how can we describe Igorot in one word? They are
Ethnic group.
Another term for ethnic group.
Native people.
I'll give you a clue. Ma'am Cherry has an idea. Ma'am Cherry, what's your idea? What's your answer?
There are indigenous
Another
people.
one. Starts with letter E.
E?
Yeah, very good one. That is tribe. Very good. These are what we call the group of
Tribe.
another celebration of each tribe. So, the first one, let us talk about the way of dialect of Kandanai tribe. In Kandanai tribe, good morning means logis ay akasama. Okay. And their famous festival they are celebrating is the Alabena. From your answer, you already have cultural sensitivity in yourself. Okay, so because you already define, you already tell me that they are different from one another. Okay, so unlike us. So do you or you will laugh at them? No. Very good. Why? Why you will not laugh at them? Yeah, very good answer. You will accept what they are. Very good. Aside from accepting what they are. Very good answer. The first answer is the word respect. Very good. So it means that cultural sensitivity is the ability to understand and respect the cultural differences and practices of others. Alright, very good. So I have here an activity which is the cultural sensitivity. 3 minutes to brainstorm, write your answer, and then 2 minutes to present your work. So I have here, you will only write your wings have to show respect. Okay. So we are 8 only. So I will divide you only na lang in 2 groups na lang. Okay? 2 groups.
Observe. You can join. You can join them. And ano din, parang promote their tradition. Or we can respect their tradition.
This is our outlook. So, this is the way we can share, we can show our respect for different cultures by, first is we need to respect them, accept, appreciate, promote, join, or understand the culture of different tribes.
All right.
Okay. Our family tree.
Our family tree. Family tree, why? It's about the cultural sensitivity tree. Okay. The first one, we need to accept what they look like or what they
Yeah.
are. And then respect their tradition.
Yeah,
Other
they-
kasi they wearing only bahag or yung iba naman super balot. That's why we have differences. So, respect also what the way they clothes o the topic ko na and give love and care.
All right. Very good answer.
Everybody.
You will do your video analysis, just a short initial observation and thoughts about the traditions you saw a while ago or the festival you saw a while ago. You will describe the festival's color, music, costumes, and overall atmosphere. Just write 3 sentences on this. Okay? Then later, after 5 minutes, I will collect your work. Okay? Then I will choose 1 to 2 person who will discuss his or her answer.
Wait, ma'am. Pangalan at etiyan yan. Hindi. Hindi wala akong ballpen. Ballpen, oh. Sinulog ba? Ito ba? Ay, ito na na. Bulog na.
I saw they are both active in dancing. Second, the Sinulog Festival, they dance graceful in their step. And then number 3, at Iati, it's also one of the cultural tradition of Antique, I think.
Yeah.
And for Pinagbenga Festival, is a cultural dance that dance by the, ano ba yun? In Baguio, it's so colorful, with the different design of the flowers, and they're in the parade.
Yeah.
Ang culture sa mga magitan ng sayo. Papakita nila ang kanilang appreciation sa kanilang festival. Sinulog, pinakalaga nila dito sa Viva Santo Niño. Ang British na nagbenga kasi sa Salamat Festival sa pamamagitan ng magpapakita ng iba't ibang bulak.
Okay, did you receive the summary? Okay. So, for our interactive activity, so what we will do is, this is another activity again, group activity. You will brainstorm and then write down key facts about the assigned festival, such as its origin, significance, and how it is celebrated. Okay, from what I am forwarding in our GC, your answer will be based here. Okay? So, the group 1 will be the Panagbenga Festival. The group 2 will be the Ati-Atihan Festival. And the group 3 will be the Sinulog Festival. So, we have 3 groups. Kindly take the picture in the Cartolina. Okay, you will write, our format will be number 1 origin, number 2 significance, number 3 how it is celebrated. Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am, that was Sinulog, they are mostly sa
All right.
The origin came from Portuguese, and the Sinulog Festival means sulog, referring to water current and rhythmic dance step of Cebu River.
All right.
Significance represents the religious devotion of the Cebuanos.
Okay.
And then how it is celebrated, solemn religious procession carrying the Santo Niño on the street.
Oh.
Origin, it was originated in Baguio City, and Panagbenga comes from the Pampanga language, means season of blooming. And the significance, the festival signifies Baguio City's resilience, celebrates its floral abundance, and highlights the rich culture and traditions of the Cordillera region.
Okay.
How it is celebrated? It's celebrated with grand activities such as vibrant flower-filled float parade, energetic street dance inspired by Cordillera tradition, and showcase the city's floral and cultural heritage.
In the Visayas region, the significance it commemorates the harmonious relationship between the Ati and the Malay.
All right.
So they're celebrated this week-long celebration on the third
Sunday
Sunday of
of January.
every January.
All right, very
Thank you.
good.
Okay, for our differentiated instruction, so I will divide you into two groups, no? So, what will be the basis of this? No, the advanced learners are the learners who always answering, who are always actively participating, okay? So, their activity is, you will write a brief connection between your assigned festival to social context. So, you will relate it to the social context in our country, okay? And then, for the struggling learners, these are the quiet ones, okay? So, you will complete the Venn diagram and write the similarities and differences among the three festivals we discussed. So, you will base your answer also to our summaries available in our GC, okay? You base your answer on that. So, I have your worksheets for struggling learners. Again, you will complete the Venn diagram. So, the name of the festival is already written here. So, you will write in the middle, you will write your similarities. Okay, the similarities of your celebration. On the outside, there are differences from one another. Okay, the social context talk about how it will be connected from the celebration to our social context in the Philippines. Okay, so from that, I will send you, will be your the basis for your answer. I will send it to our GC. Okay, so that you have an idea what we write here. Okay, so I will.
Dito lang kami kukuha, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hindi ako muna naman kasi ilugat ako.
What have you learned about cultural sensitivity and Filipino traditions? From the first one, what have you learned about cultural sensitivity? Right, only. Can you share it in front? And we learn about cultural.
Their clothes or what they races. That's why they're both Filipinos also.
Okay.
That's it.
Your evaluation, so as I said a while ago, we don't have this anymore. So your evaluation will be based or will be assessed through participation in class discussion, completion of group activities, and reflection on cultural sensitivity. But before we end, we have an agreement. So what we will do is, we will share what we have learned about cultural sensitivity to others. Okay? So that's the end of our lesson. Okay, very good. Sulat lang po ako ma'am na parang feedback niyo po, evaluation niyo, or ideas niyo ba kung paano ko na-deliver yung lesson. Ano yung parang hindi ba siya